Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Morning, sir.
Good morning.
Good 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 morning, sir.
Good morning, everyone.
Sir.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
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 Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Kanchan Kumari, please mention your roll number. Okay, we'll start in couple of minutes.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Okay, let's start.
Yes, sir.
Sorry. So in our previous class, we were discussing about. Is it not responding? Yeah. So in our previous class, we discussed about the first aid. We started about the first aid. We discussed about the burns, different types of burns. So in which type of burn blisters are formed? Okay, there are primary, secondary, and tertiary burns, right? First degree, second degree, and third degree. So in which of these type of burns blisters are formed? Blisters
The
like
first degree.
in first degree और कोई? Okay,
In second degree.
in second degree it is there. देखिए in first degree, okay, first degree there is a superficial damage to the skin. Okay, in second degree there is still further down. Okay, So here what happens is these sweat glands will be there, sweat glands are there and all this. So there is a more of hydration is available, water is available. This thing, it will it will be filled with this water, or you can say rather the fluid, body fluid is filled inside that one. That is a blister. Okay, that happens in second degree burn. In third degree burn also blisters are formed, but the damage is much more severe. It will go up to the bone level. ठीक है, bone तक जाएगा ये. So we discussed about this in our previous class. Okay, next we'll be looking at what is the first aid when bleeding takes place. Okay, the bleeding takes place very commonly, children playing and getting hurt. So there are some superficial cuts and wounds. Okay, sometimes that can be more deep. Okay, so if these cuts are superficial, okay, यानी skin के just ऊपर ऊपर में खरोंच type का, so most of the times just if you wash it with water or slight antiseptic kind of solution like Dettol or something, that is good enough. Suppose it is a bit deep cut, okay, then what happens, there is much more loss of the blood that will be taking place, blood will be coming out much more force. So at that time what is important is, instead of spending time on trying to wash it and do all those things, one has to apply pressure to stop the flow of the blood. Okay, so you have to take some kind of a clean cloth or something, tie it around that and apply the pressure so that the loss of the blood can be minimized. Okay, that is important, क्योंकि जितना rapidly blood loss होगा कम समय के अंदर, then that can result to unconsciousness. Okay, it can result unconsciousness and a lot of problems will be there. So primary first aid में आदमी क्या कर सकता है कि खून के उस लॉस को अपन कम कर सकें, उसको कोई प्रेशर या कपड़ा लेके बांध देना है, उसको ऊपर प्रेशर लगा के उसको स्टॉप करना है. Other thing is that you can, for example, is a hand or leg, if it is a fracture or some kind of a small accident or something, तो उस पार्ट को अपन अपने हार्ट के लेवल से ऊपर करते हैं या जस्ट नॉर्मल ऊंचा उठा देते हैं. जब ऊंचा उठा देते हैं तो द फ्लो ऑफ द ब्लड शुड नॉट बी डाउनवर्ड्स, इट शुड बी लाइक अगेंस्ट दैट फ्लो ऑफ द ब्लड. तो इससे भी जो है थोड़ा सा ब्लड लॉस होने में मदद करेगा, उतना जल्दी से ब्लड बाहर नहीं जाएगा. ओके, so that is what these kind of things can be done in the case of bleeding. Okay, it is straightforward, all of you understood. Okay, the next one is fracture. Fracture takes place in the bone, all of you know, and these fractures, they can be very serious fracture that can lead to the dislocation of the bone. Okay, it can lead to hairline fracture, or it can lead to the tear of the ligament. Okay, yani the muscle that is joining the tissue, that is joining the bone to the bone. Okay, if this one is getting damaged, then we say that it is a ligament tear. For example, cricket खेलते हैं लोग, तो for example फील्डिंग करते समय या बहुत तेज बॉलिंग करते समय कई बार क्या होता है कि जो एंकल जॉइंट है या एल्बो जॉइंट है, ऑल दिस काइंड ऑफ जॉइंट्स विच आर होल्डिंग द बोन टुगेदर, उसमें टेयर आ सकता है, दैट वी से लिगामेंट टेयर. बट पीपल विल कंफ्यूज इट विथ फ्रैक्चर. Okay, so when this kind of thing take place, what one person has to do, should he apply warm water on that one or cold water? Any guess? My voice is coming okay, fine, all of you are able to get my voice?
Yes.
Okay, so you can guess that whether you will use warm water or you will use cold water when someone is getting some kind of fracture or चोट लग गया, तो आप क्या मतलब उसको
सर
हम्म
Sir, we can use warm water.
Warm water. Okay. Anyone
Yes, sir.
कोई और? Anyone want to guess?
So it should be warm water.
Warm water. Okay. So basically whenever there is this kind of चोट जब लगता है, okay, then you have to use the cold, okay, not the warm water. If you use the warm water, what will happen? The circulation of the blood, okay, that will increase much more in that region, और उसकी दर्द जो है और बढ़ जाती है, okay, he feel much more pain. But cold water, okay, और you ice pack वगैरह रहता है, उससे जो देने से जो heat है जो है, that will get the some kind of relief. Okay, so you can use the cold water treatment. Okay, so in this way, okay, so in this way what we can do is giving some kind of a cold treatment will help in the पेन रिलीफ एज वेल एज वो जो स्वेलिंग या कुछ भी उसका वो बनता है ना, उसको थोड़ा कंट्रोल करता है. ओके, बिकॉज हियर आवर आइडिया इज ओनली वी आर डूइंग फर्स्ट एड, वी आर नॉट डूइंग ट्रीटमेंट. ओके, सो दैट इज द वन थिंग. नेक्स्ट, वी शुड नेवर ट्राई टू बाय अवर सेल्फ अलाइन द बोन. ओके, you should not try to align the bone. Just give me one moment, and there's a little bit of too much of disturbance. I'll just one moment. Okay, sorry. So we'll just get back to the. So here in the fracture, one should never try to align the bone by himself. So what will happen if you are doing that? There may be small bone fragments that are broken. Okay, so when you try to do that by yourself, that can lead to much more tissue damage. So those things are not part of the first aid. That has to be taken part by the professionals. Okay, whatever the medical people are there, they will take care of that one. We should never try to align the bone by ourselves. Okay, our main purpose is, if there is excess of bleeding, apply some pressure, use some clean cloth, and prevent the excess loss of blood. Okay, and sometimes it may be the bone may be dislocated or broken in such a way that it becomes very free. हाथ ऐसा टूट गया कि उसको कोई सपोर्ट ही नहीं है. ओके, तो एक्सट्रीम पेन रहता है, उसमें क्या करना, थोड़ा सा वो जिस तरीके से वो स्लिंग जो बोलते हैं, यानी कपड़ा बांध के उसको सपोर्ट दे देना चाहिए, बस. दैट वी कैन डू. ओके, so these things can be done in the fracture. Next, suppose there is some injury to the eye. Okay, if there is some object that is falling into the eye, okay, that can be some kind of liquid or some kind of solid particle. Okay, if it is some kind of corrosive liquid, okay, for example, person is working in the laboratory, or some acidic kind of thing has gone into the eye, or very alkaline thing, या किचन में काम करते समय कुछ चला गया आंख में. So the first primary thing that has to be done is wash the eye with the running water. Okay, तो नल खोल के उसमें गर्म पानी यूज नहीं करना है, वार्म वाटर नहीं, यूज कोल्ड वाटर. What is coming in the either in the tap, or little bit ice can be added in bowl of water, और उसको यूज करके आंख को thoroughly we have to wash it. Okay, so what will happen, that will also stimulate the tear glands that are there in the eye to produce more tear. Okay, और ये जो टीयर है, जो आंख में जो आंसू जो बनता है, that is having excellent antiseptic property. Okay, that will take care of most of the thing. Okay, and little bit whatever damage is there, उसको वो निकालने में बहुत हद तक उसको lubricate करके निकालने में वो useful होगा. तो पानी से उसको धोना है और उसके बाद आई भी अपना काम करेगा. If there is some solid particle, okay, that is getting into the eye, so we should never try to use any chimta or what you say that one, those kind of things, clips or anything, or needle, to remove those kind of things. Never you should do that one. That can lead to much more damage to the eye. Okay, so in such cases what has to be done, use either the water, flush with water, or by directly from the mouth you can blow, okay, the air into that one so that it may move a bit, and blinking the eye a lot, that also helps to remove the foreign particle. Okay, so most of these things are very common, and I think most of us they know what has to be done, but it is part of our objective that everyone should be aware of this one. What happens when someone falls unconscious? Okay, unconscious, fainting. Okay, morning assembly, students who do not have their breakfast and not drink water coming, so it is a very common sight in many places. They will be fainting and falling, so what has to be done when someone faints? Okay, when someone is fainting in this way, what is important is a proper oxygen air supply has to be there. So mostly when someone faints, what people will uh, crowd around that person, so that overcrowding has to be avoided. Overcrowding around that person should not be done, और खुला हवा आने जाने के लिए उसके लिए रखना चाहिए. And then if any tight belt, yeah, what you say, that tie and all those things are there, if they are they have to loosen up. Okay, you have to loosen up those things so that the person is able to breathe easily. Some water can be uh, given to the person. Okay, and medical supervision, whatever is there, has to be called for immediately. Okay, so that is when someone falls unconscious. So as you are seeing, our main purpose in first aid is we are just providing the first help. We are not trying to treat the person. The other one is what has to be done if there is a person with a suspected swallowing of the poison. Okay, so sometimes intentionally or unintentionally, okay, someone may be taking the what you say, some medications, okay, some drugs which are not intended for the person. Okay, for example, घर पे दवाई है, कई बच्चे होते हैं, खाना था ये दवाई, घर में दूसरी दवाई है, उसको लेके खा लिया. ओके, अपने मन से. So these kind of silly things also many kids they will do. Okay, some people will do intentionally, some grown-ups will do intentionally. So if this kind of a suspected case is there, what has to be done? So primary thing is that such a substance we have to try to remove by giving some kind of flush it with water or something. If it is remaining in the mouth, then flush it out with the water. आदमी को उल्टा लेटा के वो उसको फ्लश आउट करें ताकि वो सिस्टम के अंदर और नहीं जाए. ओके, सेकंड थिंग इज दैट we have to keep some sample of what is there. Okay, so that in further the medical professional or a forensic expert, they want to know that what was that chemical substance. Okay, so that has to be there for future reference, that should be kept for future reference. Okay, one should not give anything to eat or like that at that time. Okay, eating and drinking, okay, you can drink some kind of milk or like that. Some people will have different ideas, but you should not do those kind of things. Okay, don't give anything to eat or drink, and one has to immediately contact the whatever the medical people are there, emergency services are there, they have to be taken to the hospitals. Okay, and same like unconsciousness, what we are doing is that overcrowding and all those things has to be avoided around the person. Okay, so these are some things so which is done when the person is taking the toxic substance. Okay, so generally once the person reach the under the medical supervision, then they are given the whatever proper required treatment is there to remove, to flush out that poison. Okay, next, snake bite. Snake bite is also one of the very common kind of problems that is seen in both rural as well as some urban, semi-urban places. Okay, snake bite, not, it is not so uncommon. So what has to be done? Most of the people, they will die of the heart attack not because of the poison of the snake, not because of the venom, but because of the shock. कि सांप काट लिया तो अचानक they get the shock. Okay, so the two things are there. One is the person upon snake bite, he may get the shock, or subsequently the poison or the venom, okay, it will act. So what has to be done? It is important that primarily, if you are observing that, for example, in the leg there is a snake bite wound is there. Okay, some kind of wound is there. So the flow of the blood, okay, that should not go towards the heart. That is important. Okay, तो हार्ट की तरफ जो वहां से आपके वो जो पैर या हाथ जहां पे स्नेक बाइट है उसके ऊपर उसको बांध देना है कस के, using some cloth or something. You need to really tightly you need to tie that. Okay, so that whatever this venom is there here, that is not going towards the heart very rapidly. Okay, if required, one here and one here, ऊपर में एक दो जगह पे भी उसको टाई कर सकते हैं. ओके, मेन ऑब्जेक्टिव क्या है उस तरीके से करने का कि खून जिसमें कि ये वेनम है वो हार्ट की तरफ जल्दी से ना जा पाए. पर्सन को बहुत ज्यादा, you should not make him or to move around, walk or something like that. Okay, anything that is going to increase the circulation of the blood, that has to be avoided. Don't allow the circulation of the blood to become fast. Okay, don't allow the person to lie down. Okay, particularly for example it is bitten in the leg and you are putting the leg up and head down, that is totally going to make problem. Okay, always keep the head up and leg has to be downwards. Okay, so that it has to become difficult for the blood to go upwards, that we have to maintain. Okay, and wherever we are, if we are able to spot that snake, okay, that is very important. It helps the doctor also to get some kind of idea कि एंटी वेनम जो देंगे उसमें, ओके, एंटी वेनम इंजेक्शन जो देंगे तो उसके बेसिस पे दे विल बी एबल टू सेलेक्ट विच एंटी वेनम विल बी बेस्ट फॉर गिविंग. Okay, so these days most of the people have mobile phone. If you are able to take a picture of that one, that is excellent. Okay, एटलीस्ट बेसिक कैरेक्टर जो होता है वो स्नेक का, क्या पूंछ बहुत पॉइंटेड था, उसका माथा का शेप कैसा था, ये बस इतने थोड़े से कुछ कुछ फीचर के बेसिस पे द डॉक्टर कैन, द मेडिकल प्रोफेशनल, दे कैन टेल ओके दिस इज ए maybe a really venomous snake or what kind of snake. Okay, थोड़ी सी identification.
Sir, sir, if sir there are different snakes, okay, sir. So if another snake has bitten See, sir, if there are two snake and one person is bitten by one snake and other is one, then both can be given the same anti venom or not?
Yeah, you see, this anti venom, how it is produced. For example,
Yes, sir.
there is the
The
cobra.
snake
Hmm.
from the snakes that only from the snake venom only the anti venom is produced.
Yeah, for example, there is a cobra and crate is there. Okay, or
Yes,
any other
sir.
snake. So if you are making anti venom against a cobra, okay, that anti venom if you are given to person who is bitten by crate, whether
Yes,
it
sir.
will work or not, that is the question, right?
Yes, sir.
So this anti venom is specific to the particular type of snake. Okay, what is happening is इसका farming होता है. Okay, whatever, for example cobra, there are some licenses are there, that licensed people only they can keep the snakes, and they what they will do, they will harvest that venom. That venom will be injected into the horse, क्योंकि घोड़े को इस स्नेक बाइट का असर नहीं होता है, मरता नहीं है. ओके, डोज है, हर चीज का डोज होता है, ये नहीं कि एकदम दे दिए पूरा सा वो भी मरेगा, बट देर इज सम डोज. सो व्हाट हैपेंस इज इन द हॉर्स ब्लड, दिस कोबरा वेनम जो है उसके अगेंस्ट में एंटीबॉडी बन जाता है, और यही एंटीबॉडी इंजेक्शन के द्वारा हम लोग को जो है स्नेक बाइट में दिया जाता है. तो फॉर एग्जाम्पल कोबरा वेनम है, ओके, और क्रेट है, सम ऑफ देम आर न्यूरोटॉक्सिक, यानी डायरेक्ट नर्वस सिस्टम पे अटैक करेगा, इमीडिएटली पैरालिसिस कर देगा, मुंह से फेन छोड़ देगा, काम खत्म. बहुत
And some
फास्ट.
are hemotoxic.
हाँ, दोज आर वेरी वेरी फास्ट एक्टिंग, बहुत जल्दी काम करेगा. सम ऑफ दीज वेनम दे विल कॉज व्हाट यू से मस्कुलर डैमेज, यानी जहां पे वो बाइट किया वो टिश्यू पूरा गैंग्रीन हो जाएगा, काला पड़ जाएगा, सड़ने लगेगा, वो होने लगता है. लेकिन ये प्रोसेस स्लो है, कंपैरेटिवली ये प्रोसेस स्लो है, क्योंकि ये सब जैसे कि क्रेट टाइप के जो कुछ कुछ सांप है वो क्या करते हैं, चूहे खाते ज्यादातर. सो यस दे विल स्ट्राइक एंड they will result in the paralysis of that rat or whatever, and then they will consume. Okay, so whatever, so the different types of venom, anti venom is specific for the different. जो मेडिकल प्रोफेशनल है उसको भी पता रहता है कि ये एरिया में ज्यादातर इसी टाइप के सांप देखे जाते हैं, यहाँ पे आपको वाइपर नहीं मिलेगा, ये उसको पता है, तो वो वाइपर का रखता भी नहीं है ना. तो उस तरीके से ये वेनम सबका काम लिया जाता है. तो एंटी वेनम तो देते हैं, लेकिन साथ में क्या होता है कि और भी दूसरे मेडिकेशंस दिए जाते हैं. ओके, चलिए, तो दिस इज इन स्नेक बाइट वन हैज टू टेक केयर अबाउट सम.
Sir,
हाँ,
sir, can a snake be both hemotoxic and that?
हाँ, it can be both neurotoxic, hemotoxic, all combinations are possible, no problem with that, because there is so much diversity in the snake family कि भिन्न भिन्न तरीके के, और आज के समय में स्नेक वेनम एक एक्सीलेंट सोर्स ट्रीटमेंट के लिए भी बनता जा रहा है. वहां से नए नए मेडिसिन का भी हम लोग आविष्कार जो है देख रहे हैं, आ रहा है. सो वही जो पॉइजन एक डोज में पॉइजन है, उससे कम डोज में वो दवाई का काम कर जाता है. ओके, तो इसमें भी जो है ना बहुत सारे पेन किलर्स हैं जो कि स्नेक वेनम से बनाए जा रहे हैं आजकल. बहुत सारे न्यूरोलॉजिकल इश्यूज के ट्रीटमेंट के लिए बनाए जा रहे हैं, तो उस तरीके से बहुत सारे रिसर्च चलते हैं इसमें. ओके, दिस इज ए स्नेक बाइट. We are left with one small other thing, that is the bites and stings.
Sir, I have a question.
Yeah.
Sir, if a cobra bites a person,
Okay.
and if who is the medical in charge, he unknowingly gives the antibody of not of cobra but of crate,
Okay.
then will it work?
It will not work very efficiently, at least it may work partially or something like that, but it will not be as effective as what is supposed to, उस स्नेक का जो है आप ओरिजिनल देंगे. क्योंकि क्या होता है कि ये जो एंटीबॉडी है वो तो स्नेक आपके वेनम में जो प्रोटीन है उसके अगेंस्ट बना, लेकिन आपने तो कुछ दूसरे इसका दे दिया। तो इसमें क्या है कि एंटीबॉडी वेरी स्पेसिफिक होते हैं, ओके, दे आर आल्सो नोन एज मैजिक बुलेट्स।
सर सर अगर वो जो वेनम दिया, एंटी वेनम जो वो दिया डॉक्टर, तो अगर वो एंटी वेनम और उसको हार्म कर सकता है जिसको स्नेक बाइट कोबरा किया है?
No, that will not happen, because all these kind of tests are performed before these things are brought into the medical use. ओके, इसको जो है ना सेफ्टी का ये सब चीज जो है पहले टेस्ट कर लिया जाता है। तो अगर किसी को स्नेक बाइट नहीं है और आपने ये इंजेक्शन दे दिया, ठीक है, तो इससे जो है उसको कोई मतलब प्रॉब्लम नहीं होगा, इससे उसको कोई दिक्कत नहीं। अगर उसके संबंधित वेनम संबंधित कोई प्रोटीन उसके बॉडी में है तो वो न्यूट्रलाइज हो जाएगा, बस यही है।
Thank you, sir.
Okay, so I think we are run out of time. I have taken your attendance. Okay, I will see you in the next class. Little bit just bites and stings एक छोटा सा है, we will cover in the next class. Okay, see you all. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.